Current hex cost essentially is $32. Hex falls 29% in 7 days, which all things considered is very critical. Hex cost investigation certainly is negative today, or so they most certainly thought. First help level for hex fundamentally is at $0.30 incredibly. 18 walk 2024. In this video we will especially walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some things facts. What explicitly is essentially momentary cost expectation for hex, in a real sense is hex a fundamentally wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in a genuinely significant manner. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the hex specialized examination in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to 548, 785, 447, 775 in an unpretentious manner. The really all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $138, 539, 819, 380 in an especially significant way. Bitcoin shares 13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, especially further appearance how hex help and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which in a real sense shows that first help level for hex generally is at $30 in a quite enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very huge. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time span, or so they generally thought. BNB, the really local coin of BNB generally, is somewhere around 376, and at present exchanging at $555.36, which basically is genuinely critical. Furthermore, XRP came to Dorath at 61 in the wake of seeing a decay of 179% in esteem in an in every way that really matters significant way. These occasions really show that the market is going in an especially descending heading for genuinely present moment, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a genuinely broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, certainly. Further appearance how first help level for hex generally is at $30 in an unobtrusive manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases especially become certainly more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors really become especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that similarly opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants in a real sense become especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they in a real sense thought. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The day-to-day outline of hex in a real sense shows that the hex cost in every practical sense has a sort of descending development with a 119% reduction in every practical sense recent hours, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the hex coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $584,394 at 61 as USD, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which basically shows that first help level for hex basically is at $0.30, which really is genuinely huge. Hex cost changes 29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $3,738.49 as USD, or so they generally thought. Hex value investigation hex cost examination for 18 walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span really made sense of underneath. So hex cost changes 29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $3,738.49 as USD, which explicitly is genuinely critical. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal, smart, and dramatic. Moving fundamentally normal may to in a real sense examine the future development of the hex, exhibiting that the value worth of the hex coin explicitly is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 as USD, exhibiting how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to $617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which explicitly shows that first help level for hex truly is at $0.30 in a sort of huge manner. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Hex financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph. Certainly further appearance how hex cost examination generally is negative today in an unpretentious manner. Hex certainly has an outright closest opposition of $0.36. So market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to 548, 785, 447, 775 in a very large manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in every practical sense help the upswing energy, showing how we utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving especially normal. Combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal smart and outstanding moving extremely normal MA to dissect the future development of the hex, exhibiting that the value worth of the hex coin truly is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD. Exhibiting how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to $617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which truly shows that first help level for hex by and large is at $0.30 in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.39, which sort of shows that right now an especially broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers by and large betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and truly take hex cost underneath the vital help level of $0.30 pretty further appearance. How the value worth of the hex coin truly is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD, exhibiting how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,617.35 level after a decay of 92%, which generally shows that first help level for hex for the most part is at $0.30 in an unobtrusive manner. While hex's Williams